Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and if you're looking for an AirTag type device that will work with Android, an Android device, this video is for you. So what I'm holding here, I'll give you a close-up, is this style of AirTag. Let me give you some specs on it. So one thing to note is that in this pack, there's a pack of 4. This is what they look like. You have a soft silicone style waterproof cover. So without the silicone cover on like this, it's gonna look like this, which is like a, like a hard plastic. And then there is a battery that comes with this that lasts about a year, whether you're using it or not. Each of these comes with a keychain holder, which is optional. And it also comes with another optional for a strap like this. This can be connected to the silicone part, or it can be connected directly to the device via like this. The reason this is being recorded in this environment is because a little hack when it comes to tracking vehicles that are being shipped. This is a game changer. So let's just say you're shipping a vehicle somewhere and you want to kind of keep tabs on it, like your own tabs. You got a couple different options. You can actually put this in the vehicle, strategically in the vehicle somewhere that nobody knows about. And then you can track it and you can let the recipient know, hey, when this arrives, can you please ship this back? You can probably include, however you want to do that. Or if you have a vehicle or something like this that you're shipping to you, then you can ship one of these out to them in advance and say, hey, please put this in the vehicle strategically, so then you can track the progress. That is well and above maybe what these are designed for, but I have found that is a very effective way of keeping tabs on something so precious. Now, these work great because of the hang tag, especially when the silicone cover is on. If you want to put it like on a dog keychain, a dog collar, just in case, dog gets out. Also can put it in luggage, especially when you're traveling. You want to keep an eye on where your luggage is. You put this in your luggage. Tons of different applications. Those are 3 that I love using this thing for. Very easy to use and integrate with the Find My Device app. You just download it and connect it. It's pretty seamless. There's like one little button on here you push on to activate it. You pull the little tab to turn the battery on, and then you're good to go. This will get in a pretty tight range out of you down to about 150 feet. You can actually turn on the Bluetooth and get even kind of closer. There's an audio notification that can turn on, so if you are within a certain radius of the actual device, it will give an audio chime if you want to have it on there. Also, the tracking on the actual app is very good. It actually syncs up with Google Maps, so it's easy to kind of see via Google Maps exactly where vehicles being shipped to, or luggage, or anything that you want to kind of keep tabs on. All in all, a very effective device. Oh, also it is waterproof up to about 3 feet, in water, being kind of temporary. This is not something you would like submerge and leave it, but from a waterproof standpoint, so especially if it was attached to like an animal or something like that, where it might get wet, it's run around the rain or whatever, it's definitely going to be waterproof and you're good to go. And this definitely helps. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you give this a try? Can you tell us what you think? Give a little tutorial, a little overview, tell us what you think. Hopefully, any and all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.